With 1 million residents, Esenyurt is the most crowded of Istanbul's 57 districts. But like much of the city, it is becoming increasingly unaffordable. Abdulatif is having to move for a second time in 10 months. His latest landlord wants to raise the rent by 60%.
We're spending half of our wages to exercise our most fundamental entitlement, housing. There isn't much left for us for other expenses. We're just trying to survive, let alone live a normal life.
Rents have grown sixfold over the last 4 years across Turkey. Naime may have retired, but she's burdened with assisting her married son.
Despite the fact that both of them work, my son and wife live on a shoestring. I pay their rent with my own pension to help.
Nevin is overwhelmed by the rent she has to pay for her family and for her daughter studying in a different city.
As soon as my son and daughter graduate, we plan to return to our village. There's no future. How much longer can we rent?
Housing and rental prices in Istanbul are the highest across Turkey because it is the most populous city. It accounts nearly half of the national economy. It is also popular among foreign property buyers and hosts hundreds of thousands of refugees.
Experts say the government's insistence on preserving low interest rates helped fuel the housing market during the pandemic.
Other investment tools were restricted in order to maintain the low interest rate policy. Seeing that an inflationary era would arrive, people didn't invest in the Turkish lira due to poor interest rates. They flocked to hard assets like real estate. That's how prices escalated.
The central bank has since raised interest rates to 50% to tame sky-high inflation, and that impacts homeowners who have been hit with a surge in loan repayments. Fears of a similar earthquake have driven up the price of safer, newer buildings in Istanbul north of a major fault line. Sinem, Koseoglu, Al Jazeera, Istanbul.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.